Hi, my name is Pierre Pereira with Billy Goat, and today we're going to talk to you about the key features of the Billy Goat F602X blower. This unit is packed with features to make your next outdoor cleanup fast and enjoyable. Before starting the machine, remember to have it gassed, oiled, and make sure the spark plug wire is connected. And remember to bring eye protection, ear protection, and hand protection. And remember, when the unit is running, the fan is on, so start the machine outside. To start the unit, make sure the red lever is in the on position and the choke lever is in the closed position. Pull the recoil rope to start the engine. After the unit has started, turn the choke back to the open position and set the desired throttle. When you are done, turn the machine off by turning the red lever to the off position. At 83 pounds, this unit is ideal for residential cleanup, and it's a pleasure to roll around your yard. The unit only costs a little bit more than a backpack, but it's 2.5 times more powerful. There's no fuel to mix, it's much quieter, and there's no weight on your back. The unit features a composite housing that won't rust or dent, and an advanced 16-blade fan design, coupled to a powerful 208cc Briggs & Stratton engine. All combined, this unit is one of the lightest, most productive leaf blowers in the market today. For the ultimate in air control, this unit also features the aim and shoot system. This system allows the operator to direct the air discharge from his or her fingertips from the operator station. If preferred, you can also lock in the air discharge using either the hand serviceable knob on the discharge cone or one of the 3 locking pin positions on the hand lever. When you are done cleaning up, the unit features a hand serviceable knob so the handle can be easily folded forward for storage when not in use. And for peace of mind, the unit is backed by a 2-year engine and 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. For even larger cleanup projects, see Billy Goat's 9-horsepower blower. For the ultimate in fall cleanup price and productivity, let's clean up together with Billy Goat.